Yeah, see what time it is? That's 3:09 a.m. 3:09 in the morning. Yes, everybody else in this town is asleep. And I just got done putting everything away in the bedroom and got it fixed up so I can sleep in there. Remember, everything was out here. Let's take a look. Oh, nice. See there, no more popcorn ceiling. Got the ceiling fan put up, back up in there. And when I took the plastic down, I had a little bit of a mess, but I folded it all in against itself. And see, all this stuff, I had to sweep up a little bit of stuff on the floor and things. And all the stuff up against the wall, see, it's hardly dusty. It wasn't hardly dusty at all. Had to wipe down a few things. You know what I mean? Those little cabinets, I had to wipe those down. This had a little bit of dust on it, not a whole lot. I put everything back up in its place. And it looks really nice in here. I hated that popcorn ceiling. And so, oh, yeah, this is the main entrance. Popcorn ceiling here, and there's still popcorn ceiling out here in this room. But you know what? I found a few tips to help this project go a little bit faster this next time. If you watch the whole series, you'll see what I'm talking about. And you know what? It's going to make it a little bit easier for you too. Now, when I get done with this project, am I ever going to take a popcorn ceiling down again? Probably not. Probably never, ever. I've got a whole video series now uploaded on my channel, so why on earth would I want to take another ceiling down on another project? I'll do these two rooms, and that's about it. And have I ever taken popcorn ceiling down before? No. And see, that's what I'm showing you. If I can do it, an average Joe, you can do it. I found a few tips and techniques along the way on how to remove this and how to get the plastic up better and how to cut in the paint and all kinds of good stuff, you know? So keep watching my channel for more money-saving videos. Man, it's gonna feel good to sleep in a normal bed. Oh. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.